Okay, boys and girls, the next drop in the bucket that we are going to practice each day in math is problem solving or word problems. So that is skill number 2 in our drops in the bucket packet. So this whole sheet that we're going to do together is all skill 2, and it's all problem solving or word problems. And you can see that I've put together a little checklist here, word problem checklist. And you should follow this checklist each time to help you when you're solving a word problem. So the checklist, first thing that you should check off is it tells you to read the problem 2 times. Then it tells you to visualize it. And I put this little thought bubble there to remind you about visualizing. We've been doing that in reading. We're picturing it happening. Visualize. Then they want you to underline the question. What is it asking you? They want you to write a statement to answer. So in a complete sentence, write a statement and leave the blank until you get the answer. And they also want you to circle, box, or highlight any important words in there. So in your math binder, let's see if this shows up. Whoa, it's really close. In your math binder, I added these colorful math strategies and supports, and you will see a word problem steps in there, and I kind of made up the checklist I'm using today from that checklist that's in your math folder. So just to show you, you have one already. All right, so it's telling us to read the problem 2 times. Well, here's the first problem. Let's do it here. We have 6 red apples, 5 green apples, and 2 carrots. How many apples do we have in all? I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to visualize it, picture it happening. We have 6 red apples, and if you have to, draw it. Now you don't have to take the time to get out different colors, but if I have 6 red apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red apples, and I have 5 green apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those circles are apples, and it also says I have two carrots. So there's 1 carrot, and there's another carrot. So that's what I have. 6 red apples, 5 green apples, and 2 carrots. How many apples do we have in all? So, I have 6 red, 5 green, and 2 carrots. Do these carrots matter at all? The question is, how many apples do we have in all? So we don't even need to worry about those carrots. So these red ones are apples and these green ones are apples. So one of our strategies that we learned is we could just count them up. But we have a problem that is, so let's see. We read the problem twice. We visualized it. I underlined the question. They want me to write a statement to answer. So I would write, how many apples do we have in all? There, and this marker's not very good. There are blank apples in all. In all means adding. I have to add them. So if I come back to the picture that I made, one of our strategies is to just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 apples in all. If I wrote a math problem, it would be 6 plus 5 equals 11.